Sometimes you just need a basic chainsaw. That's what that little Craftsman is. Runs great. It is surging a little bit at idle, and I don't know what's going on there. Not too worried about it, honestly. I don't care. Fires up, it runs, it cuts. I would say that it's noticeably lower on power than the larger 3.3 or 54cc Poulan small block high tops. But it gets the job done. I got a nice bonfire going, burning up that old dead pine, and it's a beautiful day. Absolutely stunning. I love living on 23 acres, and I wish that for all of you guys, if that's what you want. Someday, maybe you'll have it, or maybe you've already got 5,000. I don't know. I knew a guy in Texas one time who had 20,000 acres. No, I'm sorry. He had 2,000 acres. And I was amazed at the vastness of his cornfields and stuff. And I was young. I was, I don't know, 24, 25. And I asked him how many acres he had, and he told me he had 2,000. And I was like, oh my gosh, 2,000 acres. And he laughed and he said, this is a small farm. This is small. And I've come to realize that it is. When you're actually farming for a living, 2,000 ain't much. Unless you're doing things very differently, and then your workload is quite a bit different as well, you know. But anyways, enough of that. This ain't a channel about farming. It's about chainsaws. Hope you enjoyed seeing the little Craftsman. I don't know what they call it. I know that it's the 50cc or 49cc. I think Craftsman called it a 3.1. But in Poulan terms, it's the Poulan 3000. Has the chrome piston and the bare bore cylinder. And yeah, it gets the job done. That's all we need. Later.